Everything's comma, like I've not even said one thing about achieved. My love life. Hi babe, it's Friday. That means it's time to chill out, relax, sit back, get some juice. Let's have a fun conversation. Let's get into it. So today we'll be reviewing my vision board for the year 2022. Yeah, there's still 1 month left till the end of the year. I know this is the first week of December. Why am I doing this video now? I have no idea, but my exams are coming up in the next few weeks, so I'm really going to be busy, and that's why I just decided to do it now. My vision board is digital, so I didn't print it out, but I have it as my wallpaper on my laptop and my phone. So I'm going to be reviewing it with you guys, and if any other thing happens, if any other major thing that I put on my vision board happens before the end of the year, I guess I'll be updating you guys on that. But let's get into it. So I didn't even create my vision board in January of last year. I'm really not like a New Year's person, like New Year, new me. I'm not really that kind of person. So I created the vision board in February. I just felt sick and tired because I want so much for myself. Like I just have a lot of goals, and there are a lot of things I want to achieve. Seeing something that will maybe inspire me, that will make me see everything I'm working towards, felt was important. So I decided to try it February. So this is actually my first year trying out creating a vision board. Let's see how it went. Let's start from the left hand side. And the very first thing here is picture of graduation, a grade, and study. Because when I was creating this, I was writing a certification course, and the plan was to finish it this year. I did not do that. But I think it manifested in another way. Most times when we want something, it doesn't manifest exactly the way we want it, because God, the universe, has other plans. So I think it manifested in me starting my master's program, because when I was creating this, there was no even plan of master's at all. But I think it has manifested in that way. So that you can see the quote, success is a decision. And I really wanted that to be in my head all the time this year, that whatever you want, you have to work towards it. Don't expect to get anything that you don't work for. So success is a decision. That is a picture of business, because I love business and I'm also into business. So you can see a picture of a lady with a lot of package orders. So that was one of my goals for the year also. I was to make improvements in my business and to sell a lot. Now, did I achieve that? Not at this scale, because I couldn't get a picture of everything like this. I couldn't get a picture like this, but at least I sold a lot. Or I did not see the cash. I didn't see the money, because every money I was making, I was reinvesting it. So I was reinvesting it into the business. So like I don't really have what to show for it, that okay, yes, I made money from the business. So I think I achieved it. Not exactly how I thought it would be like this picture, but I'm actually running a sales right now, so maybe I'll get to take a picture like this. But under that, there's a quote that says, if Allah wills for it to happen, it will happen. Just keep on making dua. It's a reminder to myself that I want too many things, but if it's meant to be, it will be. The only thing I can do is to work for it and pray for it. So there's a quote I like that says, work like your success depends on it, and pray like your success depends on it. But I just wanted to remind myself that I want so many things, and if I'm not able to achieve it, which I know I'll achieve for everything I want, but it takes time. If I'm not able to achieve it, I know that there is a plan and there's a reason why it did not happen. Next, let's go to the middle section. At the top, you can see the year 2022, and below that, which was a major thing for this vision board, is the YouTube logo. I wanted to start my YouTube channel in the year 2020. You think I did that? I did. So YouTube is something that has always been on my mind. I've been wanting to start a channel for a very long time now, and I just kept on finding reasons why I can't do it. This year I decided that I must start this year. Anyhow it goes anyhow. And I'm so grateful and I'm so proud of myself that I've been able to start, and I've been able to be consistent since I started. Like, I've posted a video every week since I started. So I'm proud of myself, if I do say so myself. I'm happy I've been able to get rid of that big hurdle, because there was a lot of doubts, like, can I do this? Like, I don't even have all the equipment. I only have my phone. I don't have lighting. I'm a shy person. I don't know how to talk well. How are you going to do this? But it's also something I really wanted to do. So I'm grateful I've been able to kick all that out and do what I want to. I'm starting it. I don't know how it will go, but that's a major thing that I'm glad I was able to achieve. So after that is a quote that says, speak good or remain silent. And this is very important. Like, I don't want to be someone who gossips or talk about people like that. I'm not really interested in that. So I live by this quote: speak good or remain silent. If there's nothing good you can say about a situation, about somebody else, just keep quiet. You don't need to say it. So I really wanted to continue with that this year. Like, it's none of my business. You can do whatever you want, but I'm not going to say anything ill about you. So below that is inshallah, and that was just for the whole of the vision board. Like, inshallah means by God's grace. So everything here, by God's grace, it will work out. Next to that is stop waiting for tomorrow, start now. I was motivating myself. This was when it comes to the YouTube business and everything, and I think I took my own advice. I stopped waiting for tomorrow and I started. To the right hand side, I divided this, I remember, into 3 parts. So like the first side, which is the left hand side, had to do with career, business, education. Middle was like for passion, and that was for YouTube, motivating myself. Then the right hand side was more for the worldly things like beauty, face, stuff like that. So the very first thing, you can see a picture of someone's mouth. My goal was to have clean white teeth. How do you think I did? I wanted to have good hygiene when it comes to my teeth, and the plan was actually to get my teeth cleaned and whitened this year. But I didn't do that. I wanted to do it on my birthday, but I didn't end up doing that. No cash, no funds to do that. So that is definitely moving over to next year. Next to that, you can see a quote that says, never feel bad about doing what's best for you. And just remind myself this, like, you are doing the best you can for yourself. Below that is a picture of a small dainty necklace I wanted to get, but I wanted to get it in real gold, but I didn't do that. That was also supposed to be a birthday gift to myself, but I didn't do that. So maybe next year. I saw like a cheap version of it, and I almost got it because it's like, I feel like it's like manifesting. If I have the lower version, I'm manifesting that I'll be able to get the real gold later on. Below that is work on you for you. Anything I'm doing for myself, I'm doing it for me and not for any other person. I'm not doing anything for other people to give me accolades. Anything I'm doing to improve myself is for me and not for someone else. Below that is a picture of a girl with clear skin. I was manifesting clear skin by the end of this year. And funnily enough, when I was making the vision board, my skin was clear and I was like, I have to maintain this till the end of the year. Was I able to maintain this? I don't think so. I was not able to maintain it because I'm having pimples and rashes. When I get rid of it before the end of the year, let's see how it goes. Next to that is a cup of tea, lemon tea, and the reason for that is because I wanted to be healthy this year. I wanted to eat healthy, watch my weight, exercise and all that. Did I really do that? To an extent, yes, but I think I was watchful. There were months where I was really careful, I was watchful and all that, and there were months where I didn't, maybe because I was stressed, I was busy and all that. Above that, there's a quote that says, surely good deeds erase bad deeds. I wanted to be generous, help as much people as I could, and I think I did that to the extent I could. I tried to give whenever I had and be generous to a lot of people. Thing on the vision board is a quote that said, the ground we walk on today is our roof tomorrow. Subhanallah. And this just means it's a reminder that we are all going to die one day, and everything we are struggling to accumulate now will end up being for someone else who cannot take it with us, and at the end of the day it won't matter. So it's just a reminder to myself, like, don't get too attached on worldly things and be so focused on every other thing, business, books and all that, and forget that this is not the destination, this is not the end goal. Like, we are just on a journey in this world, and at the end of the day it's not all we accumulate that will help us at that point. It's other things that we're able to do. So that was just a good reminder to myself. Now let me look at everything at scale. When it comes to the quotes, all the mindsets I wanted to have this year and all the things I wanted to work on internally, I think I was able to achieve that. Like, there were times when I felt low or I felt discouraged, but I still stuck to it and I still persevered. So I'm actually proud of myself when it comes to that. Like, looking at myself now and where I was when I made this, where I was last year, there's growth. There are other things that we need to work on, and we'll keep on working on that. So I'll be making my 2023 vision board here. I'll post a video here, so if you want to see that, make sure you stick around for that. And I think I'll make it more structured, so there'll be different sections when it comes to work, money, career, health, all those things. Love. Did you notice the absence of love in this vision board? My love life. So hopefully it makes a comeback next year vision board. Let's see how it goes. Interested in building good money habits that will help you to start building wealth in your business and help you be successful, check out this video where I share 5 of those tips. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.